She looks like she's yelling at me.
She is.
Like,
Apparently.
how you doing? Do me a favor, just back up for a second.
What?
Ma'am, stay in your car.
I live here.
Okay, stay in the car. You're being pulled over.
Why? Because
I'll explain that in a second.
pulled across
Man,
the
please,
street.
motherfuckers be coming back here doing
Sir,
fucked up.
you need to back away.
I'm not backing up nothing. This is my wife.
Don't interfere with the traffic
I'm
stop,
not
sir.
interfering with nothing. Y'all was all up on her phone.
263 Baker with Frank. Hold us out, 1500 block.
Call back up. Do whatever you gotta do.
I think we're Xanthia Xenia with a couple. Starts another car.
Got off work,
because there were cars coming, and you guys were safe enough distance
And we
away
think we're
for you
Xanthia,
to be
Xenia.
able to pull across the street. I
Why
live
don't
here.
y'all do some real work? Like, I mean, there's motherfuckers getting
Seriously.
killed around this motherfucker, raped and shit. Come on with that.
Do you have your license?
What's up?
Registration, proof of insurance. Thank you.
Yeah, I do.
Unnecessary. Code 9, thank you though.
I mean, y'all
You
trying
can back
extra
up,
hard.
please.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
just trying to get some.
Back up, please.
I mean, what are you
I
being
just need
so
your driver's
aggressive
Well,
license.
for?
I'll
your
give it to
insurance.
him.
But
You
what are
can
you being
back
so
up.
Why do you think I'm being aggressive?
I mean, you up on her like
Back
that. Like,
up,
what are you
please.
being aggressive for?
I live here. Back up.
I-
I will
You're
give,
digging into a car.
I will
I'm gonna
give
look.
him my stuff.
I'm gonna look
Got
here.
No fucking weapon. She just got
Well,
off
I don't
work.
know that because I've
I
never
will
been in
give
that
him
car.
my stuff. You need to back up away from me.
Okay.
You need to back up.
Shit, man.
Grab your driver's
You need
license.
to back up.
Grab your driver's
I
license.
will if you back the fuck up.
Okay, I'm gonna step.
Yeah. Step the fuck
here.
back.
Do shit, man.
Step
All
the
y'all do
fuck
is
back.
bother motherfuckers. Did y'all get
Motherfucker.
sent over here to bother somebody?
Oh no, it's because I pulled out in front of them.
Yeah, because, I mean, y'all in the fucking way. Y'all don't do shit. Motherfuckers
Because
call
I
y'all,
pulled
y'all
out
come
to
over
cross
here,
the
run over
street
here, let the criminals get the
safely.
fuck away. Y'all fuck around and play around.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have the insurance on your car?
Yes, I do. Would you back the fuck up and let me get in my car?
Why are you all up? Why are you being so aggressive, though?
Just
That's
by
what I'm
asking
trying to
friendly
understand.
questions?
You ain't
I don't think
fucking
that's being
asking shit.
aggressive.
You pull me
What's
over
friendly
for
about
some
it?
bullshit, homie.
What's
Fuck
friendly
you.
about it, though?
You pull me over for some
I can't hear you.
bullshit.
She's
And then
screaming
you
at
drive.
me.
What the fuck is this? You calling for backup for a white girl and a black dude? What? Because we stay in the hood? You act like this in Park Hill? Is that your district? You gonna say something? I've been doing this for a long time, man. You look like a kid to me, bruh.
Doing what?
Doing this fake ass shit that you police do, where you harassing people that just got the fuck off work, that pay taxes.
Stop. Like,
That's what
just
the fuck
stop.
I've been doing,
I
bruh.
worked 12 fucking
Yeah.
hours today. Like, I don't want to.
Yeah, you look like a kid to me, homie. I don't give a fuck what you. That badge don't mean shit. When you come out that uniform, you a regular motherfucker.
Okay, can you everybody just shut the fuck up so I can find my shit? God, the fuck,
Man, let them write a fake ass ticket. That's all they gonna do. Motherfuckers don't do shit. Motherfuckers running through our shit. We call y'all. You drove down here quick as a motherfucker. When the motherfucker had me over here standing, I had my hands up. We had a gun
Here.
drawn on me. You fine, motherfucker. Look how you're acting. Man, look how you acting. Look how you motherfuckers got. Look how you just drove up.
All right, just hang tight for a minute, okay?
Sure.
That's why we're driving up. What does that mean? Oh, is that why you driving up here? Oh, is that why you drove fast?
Oh my god, you guys are fucking funny.
Is that why you drove fast? Yeah, is that why?
Very angry.
Wow. I can't say that I know them. She acts like
Yeah.
we have a
The only one
Yeah.
is the fucking guy.
4 years, bro.
Intelligent
We
woman
the only
to show a
intelligent one,
motherfucker
man.
some respect around this fucking motherfucker.
There's
Look,
families.
I don't give a fuck.
Stop screaming.
Fuck you. I don't care.
There's
homie. I
children.
wanted to come home and fucking go inside and chill out. I've been working for 12 fucking hours, and you pull me over for what? For pulling in front of you
but there's
at a
pedophiles
safe
running up and
fucking
down this
amount of
motherfucker.
speed?
There's motherfuckers running up and down this motherfucker, vandalizing cars, faggots, motherfucking pedophiles, fucking with kids. Y'all motherfuckers just drove down the street like she broke a real motherfucking law. Y'all some cowards,
Because
man.
I pulled in front of
Come on,
him at a
man.
safe distance
I
to
mean,
cross
damn,
the street.
is it the neighborhood? What is it? Does that make y'all feel like y'all vindicated to fuck with people like that? Just be all up on them, harassing them, driving extra fast. Come on, man.
What's she got for contacts, man?
she's been a victim of several crim misses in the last
Uh-huh.
year. That's like it. She's got like a couple neighbor disturbances in the last year. But I'm telling you, that's it.
Yeah.
This is funny.
Do you have more?
Yeah, we could all be
Just keep an eye on this guy. He's real amped up.
No the fuck he's not. You're a fucking asshole and you pulled me over for no reason.
Fuck about none of that shit.
Fucking
Y'all look like some lame to me. Y'all just throw them over here, but you really tough guys. Y'all like
Hey,
Stay there. This is our fucking house,
Hey.
homie. I don't give a fuck.
Hey.
Fuck you.
Your man is okay. I'm asking him.
Fucking take your goddamn hands
Hey.
off of him.
Oh, what you gonna grab me?
Stop
pushing that.
hands off of him.
Hey, stop pushing her, homie.
Your fucking hands
Fake
off
ass
of him.
UFC.
Take
Stop
your
pushing her.
fucking hands
Stop
off.
pushing her.
Stand by the
Fake ass
fence.
Don't touch me. Don't swing on me.
Oh!
Fucking motherfucker. Really?
Get on the ground right now!
Really?
Get on the fucking ground!
God, those are my glasses! What the fuck are you doing?
Give us your hands! Give us your hands!
Fuck!
Get your hands on the ground now! Get your hands behind you!
Got my hands, so what?
Sir, put your hands
What are y'all doing?
behind your back.
Oh, wow.
Get your hands behind your back.
Man, what are y'all doing, homie? Why y'all doing all this extra?
Give me your
shit,
hands.
though? Why y'all doing this, though?
What the fuck are you doing?
Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach. All right.
Can you
What are y'all trying to, like, kill
Lay
me
on
or
your
something?
stomach. We're trying to put you in custody. Put your hands behind your back.
I am
Stop.
Hey, my baby, stop yelling. They just did some real crazy shit. Don't even fight them. Hey, go tell
You
your
good?
son, man. What are y'all doing? Y'all just beat me up like that?
You're hurting me. I want to sit up.
All this over traffic stuff.
Hey, yo!
What the
Oh,
fuck
so
is
ain't no
the
neighbors, did no neighbors just see us beat us up like this?
Are you serious?
Wow. So
What
Huh?
the
They just
fuck?
still beat us up like this?
Over me?
Wow.
Fucking over really?
That was
Really?
cool stuff.
Over me being pulled over? Really?
Y'all really just gonna beat me up
Really?
like
Where
that?
are my glasses
Sarge,
at?
pray.
You broke
Sorry,
my
you need to
pair of
use-
fucking glasses. Are you fucking kidding me?
Why the fuck y'all do
Can I
this?
please
Sorry, Amy.
stand up?
No.
Sorry, brother.
I said stand up.
No.
I have a fucking case. Where's my glasses? I want to see. Where the fuck is
Yo,
my
stop
glasses?
yelling, my baby.
I am fucking trying, goddammit.
I
And this is
understand.
fucking illegal.
Yeah, you fucked my shit up. And I didn't even do
This
nothing.
is fucking
My
illegal.
mama,
Where are my
we
glasses
gonna
at?
sue you, man. You fucked up.
Can
I don't
somebody
know what-
please find my
Y'all
glasses?
some real cowards.
I
Y'all
am
tapping my
sorry.
girl.
We're gonna put her in our car. Ready? Stand up.
My children are in the house. What the fuck is wrong with y'all?
Man, I can't believe y'all just did that.
Sir, do you have ID with you?
No, I
Search her real
live here.
quick.
What the fuck you talking about? Do I have ID? Oh, yeah, y'all, hey.
Fuck
Hey, yo, call my mom.
Is that side good?
What the fuck
Hey,
is
call my mom,
Huh?
man.
I don't have
Beat
shit.
the
I've been
fuck
at
out
work
of
for
me and
12
your mom.
fucking hours.
Okay.
Yeah, for no reason, homie.
My kids are in the house.
Hey, yo, call your
How
mom.
old are your kids?
I mean, call my mom.
Not old enough to stay at home by
Don't even worry
themselves.
about it.
Okay, put
Can
your feet
you
in.
please stop?
Call
Put your
my
feet in.
mom,
I
homie.
want to. Where's the other officer?
Put your feet in.
What the fuck is wrong with
Put
y'all?
your feet in.
Roll over.
Put your
My
foot in.
children
I
are
don't want to
in the
hurt your
house.
leg. Put your foot in.
I
Ready?
have young children in
I'll
the house.
talk to you in a
No,
second.
sir,
I have
actually, you
something to do.
dictated that.
You right, you right, yeah. You right.
Right? Stand up.
I mean, I know y'all probably would have killed me if you'd have taken it somewhere. I don't know why y'all just whooped the fuck out of me like I'm a real criminal. Ah, man, it took like all y'all to do that to me for real. All y'all, it had to be all y'all do that. Come on.
Everybody's in custody
Hey,
at
we
this
got a
time. We'll
clock
be
here.
going
Let's put 'em
camera
in,
off. It's Officer
Hey,
Foster
yo, let me pull my
1365.
pants up, mister.
Pull your pants up.
You got your USC off for no reason. Want to punch me all in my fucking eye, in my head. Come on, man.
Guys,
And then
you gotta.
put
Can
her
we put him in
all
your
in
car?
her shit.
Or see if this one's
Yeah,
unlocked.
they seen it. I hope somebody filmed the whole shit. Oh, I hope somebody filmed y'all do that shit. That was scandalous as fuck. Oh, and then you're gonna spray me in my eye with the mace. You're gonna spray me with the mace while I'm on the ground. Funny, man. And I don't got no warrants, so I don't know what the fuck y'all doing right now.
Crazy then why you'd act like that, huh?
Oh yeah, I know. Crazy how you just
Have a
beat the
seat.
fuck out of me for no reason.
Sit down.
Right. You think I'm unintelligent, but I'm not.
Sit down.
Come on, man.
Alright, scene's under control. Camera's off.